Imagine stepping into a home where every room tells a bold, beautiful story, layered with rich colors, wild patterns, and unexpected textures, yet somehow it all just works. This is maximalism with purpose, sophisticated, playful, and deeply personal. An entry hall features bold floral wallpaper, likely William Morris, and a leopard print stair runner. Organic patterns serve as neutral anchors, adding visual interest without overwhelming the senses. Is richly layered with color, pattern, and texture, inspired by the client's love of British design and fashion. Despite the visual energy, the spaces feel curated, not chaotic, with a restrained maximalist discipline. This dramatic space features glossy chartreuse walls, Benjamin Moore color translated into high-gloss Holland lac, striped upholstery fabrics, tiger print daybed, nude art sketches, and antique mirror detailing. Each element adds character while maintaining harmony through consistent tone and scale. Striped wallpaper extends even to the ceiling, connecting the dining room to adjacent rooms with cohesion. The passage from the floral entry into the chartreuse living room is seamless, a transition of pattern into saturated color, yet surprisingly soothing. counterpoint in the home. Faro and ball shades, pale powder, light blue, denim, across cabinets create a gradient effect. Marble countertops and backsplash subtly echo the blue undertones. The tone and texture bring visual relief amid the more maximalist zones. Painted in a unified Faro and ball stone blue, the family room hides a TV behind bifold cabinet doors and features linen velvet upholstery, practical for a home with kids. Brass grillwork panels conceal air returns or appliances, adding decorative flair while serving function. The primary bedroom combines a large-scale upholstered bed in rich fabric with smaller-scale patterned bedding, Matic Margot print, allowing the pattern to play rather than compete. In a children's room, playful pink dinosaur wallpaper pairs with icy blue trim to let the motif shine, with color selection guided by the pattern's palette.